Hola, what's up, everybody? My name's Adrian Garcia. Welcome and welcome back to the Reliable HVACR podcast. All right, so what is this channel that you're seeing? Who am I? What is this all about? Let me tell you real quick. My name is Adrian Garcia, and I'm an HVAC tech, refrigeration tech in South Texas. The RGV, the 956, if you know, you know. And we run a family-owned business here in South Texas. I've been doing this 17 years. I am a licensed contractor, and I decided to do this whole podcast journey and have other guys in the trade, new to the trade, interested in the trade, just coming on and sharing their stories. It's good conversations with good people, and I really enjoy this. If you guys are interested in hearing, these stories, the struggles and mistakes, how they got over it, what helped them, what got their interest, and how each of these individuals got into the trade, because it's usually an accident, happy accident that happened. There are new episodes every Tuesday, basically 4 episodes a month. If you guys want to go and talk to me or the guest, there is a live chat that you can go in, ask your questions, and just kind of hang out. It's a little hangout every Tuesday evening. So check that out. You can also listen to this on any podcast platform, Spotify, Apple Podcast. YouTube has the video version and the audio, Google Podcast, and the list goes on. You can hear it on any platform, basically. With that being said, don't forget to leave a review. Hopefully it's 5 stars. And I will give you a snippet of the different people that have come on and the things that they've said.
They don't see your vision. A lot of people never imagine what I have now. You know what I'm saying? I stay in that suburban. We in a A+ school district, planned neighborhood, got two-story house, got nice cars now, whatever. But I seen that vision. I seen all that when I was sleeping on the park bench.
A lot of them buddy stories, they're true stories. And like I said, I've trained over probably 5 helpers that are completely green to becoming lead service techs or installers. This is the blue collar world. This is the trade. It's real life out there. And if you do let your guard down and get caught slipping, you could, anybody could end up in the situation.
We have 2 of the women of the bigger group, the Women Pioneers in Unity. There's how many members are you guys up to?
There's 120 emails on our list.
I mean, it's always going to be there. I can hear the dots.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's
I started to jump on YouTube and see these channels, and it started to inspire me about thinking about the trade. And I was talking to my partner. I said, we should really think about doing a little side business.
I had the opportunity to just create my own department that didn't exist in this organization, right?
True. Yeah.
So I started it from scratch, and it's been, I've learned a lot, but I have a lot of fun. Getting in front of a class and presenting and training is probably, one of my favorite things to do.
Our community is one where, we all, I really believe, care that everybody does well and everybody, succeeds.
One thing that I've always lived by is that you can learn something from everybody, no matter who it is, how long they've been doing this. Everyone has that one little tip. This trade has given me so much. It's changed my life.
Part of being a professional is knowing your equipment, your tools, knowing its limitations, knowing how to get the best performance out of. I'm lazy. I want to get the best out of my equipment, so find the easiest way to do something the right way.
What I'm trying to help people through my content is that we as contractors, again, you've got to change your business. We got to slow down. And I get it. We can't take care of as many customers. So dump the crappy ones and take care of the good ones. The ones that are going to help you make money. I didn't have any of those tools at my disposal years and years ago. And so they spent a couple of grand on some ductwork modifications. Didn't help. I was guessing.
I thought you were going to...
Yeah.
I thought you were going to say you fixed it.
No, it didn't.
Life is more than just our work, and so we love our work. We love helping people by doing our work, but you got to take care of your family.
This is a whole lot of work, but, I think it's worth it, man. It's worth it to see the impact that it makes on the industry and how positive of an impact it makes, and how to get people to think bigger about themselves, right? to get people to say, man, you know what? I truly want to, I was getting burned out, but now that fire's reignited. Like I got that passion back. I went by the name of Benito P.
All right, guys, everybody watching and listening, I appreciate you. Enjoy the music by Matt here, and I will see you guys next time.